For 75 years, FEMA members bring choice, value, and innovation to agriculture.
In 2023, when Farm Equipment magazine was celebrating its 55th year, the editors, Kim and I and our team, announced the Shortline Legends Hall of Fame, a program that would forever give proper due credit to the achievements and influences of individuals from the independent ag equipment manufacturers, the shortliners, before their achievements and memories are lost to the ages. This third class of inductees, you can see here on the slide, each made a permanent dent in the ag equipment universe. I'd ask Norbert Beaujot from Saskatchewan to join Kim on stage. From Seedmaster. A designer at heart, Norbert Beaujot is the founder of Seedmaster, Seeder, and the autonomous DOT power platform. He has spent his entire career creating specialized ag equipment for Canada's western prairies in Saskatchewan. And much of his success, he says, comes from not being afraid to fail. Growing up on an 800-acre farm in Saskatchewan, he developed an early passion for improving soil health. This soon led to a key interest in helping no-till, which became the tool of choice among the Western growers. By the early 1990s, Western Canadian wheat growers were not only enjoying reaping the benefits of conservation ag, but also seeing the value of adding canola to their rotations. And Norbert saw that the seed opening designs at the time were unsuitable for this new canola crop that was extremely sensitive to seed depth. Plus, storing valuable moisture near the soil surface could deliver higher yields. Calling upon his engineering background, he developed the world's first active hydraulic ground-following individual row openers that minimize soil disturbance by seeding directly into the previous year's stubble. After testing the prototype, he and his brother launched SeedHawk, and replacing more traditional cultivator and disc type seeding, their innovations featured a long arm with a gauge wheel located at the back that served as the packer wheel, which provided precise seed depth for each individual row unit. He credits the Western Canadian equipment dealers with showing early interest in the SeedHawk rigs and quickly recognizing the ability to hang a new innovation onto their existing seed equipment business. In addition to the SeedHawk and Seedmaster opener, individual and bulk metering systems, he created the autonomous DOT power platform in 2017, an audacious endeavor that autonomously powered a sprayer, land roller, and grain cart. And this innovation proved successful, and the DOT platform concept was sold to Raven in 2020. Let's give Norbert a big round of applause.
Thank you very much. I'm honored to be part of this group. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Norbert. Congratulations.